2026 Hyundai Ioniq 5 takes everything that made the original model a standout electric SUV and pushes it further into the future. From the moment you see it, the Ioniq 5 commands attention with its retro-futuristic design. Its pixel-inspired LED headlights and taillights look straight out of a sci-fi movie, while the sharp lines and clamshell hood give it a clean, modern appeal. The flush door handles, aerodynamic wheels, and slightly extended wheelbase make the new model look more planted and confident than ever before. Step inside, and the 2026 Ioniq 5 feels like a lounge on wheels rather than a traditional car interior. Hyundai continues to use sustainable materials, with eco-friendly fabrics, recycled plastics, and plant-based leather alternatives throughout the cabin. The interior layout remains minimalist but high-tech, featuring dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for infotainment, seamlessly integrated into a single panel. The infotainment system has been upgraded for 2026 with faster response times, enhanced voice controls, and improved connectivity with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Comfort takes center stage here. The front seats recline fully with leg rests for a quick recharge during charging stops, while the rear seats slide and recline to adjust passenger or cargo space. The flat floor, thanks to the eGMP platform, means there's more legroom and flexibility for passengers, making long journeys more enjoyable. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, giving the Ioniq 5 a spacious, airy feel. Performance-wise, Hyundai has fine-tuned the powertrain options. The base 2026 model offers a single-motor setup, producing around 225 horsepower, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version pushes out up to 390 horsepower, enough to launch from 0 to 100 km stage in under 5 seconds. The car's instant torque makes acceleration brisk and smooth, and thanks to the low center of gravity provided by the battery placement, the handling feels sharp yet balanced. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Ioniq 5 delivers a quiet, refined, and confident ride. Battery technology is another area where Hyundai has made big strides. The 2026 Ioniq 5 is equipped with a larger battery pack, offering a range of up to 520 kilometers on a single charge, depending on configuration. Thanks to its 800-volt architecture, it supports ultra-fast charging, going from 10% to 80% in just under 18 minutes when connected to a compatible 350 kWh charger. For everyday users, even a quick 5-minute charge adds roughly 100 kilometers of range. It also includes bidirectional charging or vehicle-to-load capability, allowing you to power home appliances, tools, or even another EV directly from the car, perfect for camping trips or emergencies. Driving dynamics have also evolved. The adaptive suspension provides a smoother, more controlled ride, while the regenerative braking system now feels more natural, allowing drivers to choose from multiple levels of braking force. Hyundai's SmartSense suite of driver assistance features is now more advanced, offering highway driving assist, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking. The 2026 model even introduces improved AI-based driver attention monitoring and semi-autonomous capabilities that make highway cruising effortless. Hyundai didn't forget practicality either. The Ioniq 5 offers generous cargo space, including a front trunk for smaller items, and its split-folding rear seats make room for bulkier loads. The electric SUV can also tow up to 1,600 kilograms, which is impressive for its category. From a design perspective, the Ioniq 5 continues to blur the line between hatchback, crossover, and SUV. It's futuristic yet familiar, tech-forward yet warm, and luxurious without feeling unattainable. Hyundai's decision to retain its distinctive pixel-light motif while refining aerodynamics shows how much thought went into every curve and detail. The 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is more than just an update. It's a statement of how far electric mobility has come. It's designed for drivers who value innovation, comfort, and environmental responsibility, but don't want to compromise on style or performance. With its combination of advanced technology, lightning-fast charging, powerful electric motors, and intelligent design, it stands as one of the most complete EVs on the road today. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an eco-conscious driver, or someone simply looking for a modern, comfortable daily ride, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 2026 delivers a rare mix of practicality, performance, and futuristic appeal that's hard to match. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse of where the future of driving is heading.